comes the music.
Well, hello there, and welcome back. I'm just gonna be continuing this, I think. I haven't really touched it in the last few days just because I've been pretty busy and occupied with stuff, so I'm kind of lost track of where I was, but hopefully I can pick up. Yes, I don't really know what I was doing before I stopped. I did try to stream yesterday, but I couldn't open the files for some reason. I think it was Creative Cloud being a douche. But I managed to open them now, so all good. I thought the files had corrupted, which thankfully they hadn't. Okay, so I think I have some ideas of how I want to progress this. Yes, this is audio balanced okay, I think. Let's see, so I have this consecutive thing. Oh, I need to do a check. Because I know if Breaker YouTube, hello, welcome back. How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. I've kind of lost where I am or what I'm doing. I know I don't want to stop making my follow alert yet. Right now I just have a basic follow alert. The heat meter, what's that do? So basically what I have planned for it, or well, what it currently does is every time I hit 5 follows, it plays a special animation. So basically it's kind of just like every 5. So I'm at 71 not subscribers, think of YouTube, followers, so when I hit 75 it'll play something special, except I haven't made it yet. That reminds me, I do need to test that again. Streamlabs. Usually there would, I guess in bigger streams, it would probably be like a follow train type thing, so there would be a timer and then it would expire, except obviously I don't have like a really busy stream, which is fine. So I thought I'd just keep it like going across multiple streams. So I'm gonna check on my phone, because I have my phone open in front of me so I can see the stream. If I press test follow, it should go up. I'll just wait for it to appear. Oh, there's that. I don't know if it'll go up again. It should, but I think the alert triggers, but for some reason... Oh, it does. Okay, that's good. That'll be good for testing then. I need to refresh it now because obviously I can't keep that up. This is, I'm not supposed to even be using this yet, but because it's not actually finished, but I thought I'd just implement it anyway. That's what I need to do. So I was thinking of having information scroll in just like on a loop. But I need to work out how to scroll back to this, so that's going to be complicated. I'm actually going to write a function that handles that, and then hopefully I can just use that. So I'll put it up here since I have all my alert stuff down there. Okay, so oh, that's this already. You know what, I'm gonna copy this just because I don't want to break it. I'll call this banner 1. And banner 1 will be latest follower and heat meter. So basically the idea is I'm gonna have multiple like banner type things, and then they'll just scroll in and out. Except some of them I want to make them stay longer, like this one. I want it to stay longer on the screen. Other things like my social media, which I don't really have, I just have like a Twitter. But I don't want that to take up the same amount of time that this would, so I'll set that as a variable to like scroll in for, I don't know, 30 seconds I guess, and then this will probably be on the screen for like, I don't know, 5 minutes, something like that. Of course I can all adjust it until I feel like the timing's right. And then the plan is to keep it all modular, so I'll be able to like copy and paste stuff and make it, and just add information if I need to. So yes, we'll see how that works out. So banner 1 is that. I'm going to create a variable called current banner, which should be 0. I think what I'll do actually is have multiple functions for in and out. So banner 1 out, banner 1 in, so this should be going in and this will be going out. And I also want, yeah, I think that's alright. So now I need to work out where they're going to scroll out to. Banner. So this will go like this, I guess. So what are these values? These are both this. So that's latest follower. Heat meter. They're the same as well. They're both that. Hey Micro, I managed to get the files working. I think it was something to do with Creative Cloud. For some reason, because I hadn't signed in, it was just, I don't know, wouldn't let me get into these files. Which is weird, because I could open the other files, but I think I changed something on these files that made it not open. Just popping in to say hi. Hello to you too. I hope you're having a nice Saturday night. I was really tired earlier. I probably should have gone to sleep, but then I took a shower and then I was awake, so I don't know. I haven't really been able to progress on this recently, so I was kind of itching to get back to it, but hoping to stream tomorrow? Sweet! I'll hope I can drop by. Are you still playing Battle Tanks? I think that was the last game that you streamed, which was like a month ago, or a couple weeks ago, not sure. Was it more aliens? Gonna mess with Blender in a fun way. Oh, sweet! That'll be useful. I'll definitely try to stop by, because I definitely need to brush up on my Blender as well. Marking more on a project I was messing with a few months ago. Ah, nice. What kind of project? Like object or like character? I think when I was a lot younger, when I was trying to get into Blender, I learned how to make like hair or something and then brush it, which I always thought was cool. I've completely forgotten how to do that though. I was tangentially Blender related, but now that I'm more knowledgeable in Blender, it should be better. Ah, okay. Yeah. I find that with a lot of projects, like you always start out something and you're not like 100% on it, and then you come back later with like new skills and you find like your workflow is increased by 10 flow, which is makes everything much more efficient and you learn more stuff. I find that with a lot of mapping. Oop. Ah, I look forward to seeing it. Okay, cool. Thanks for dropping by, and hopefully I'll catch you in your Blender stream tomorrow. Have a good one. Okay. Let's see. So I have a function called banner in, which I should be able to use now instead. Here. Okay, so that should animate the banner coming in. I just want to double check that works. Okay, nice. Banner function works, and then I have banner out, so what I'll do, actually no, I'll have a function called banner timer. Is that, I don't know if I should. Actually, no. I'll keep it inside the banner. So banner 1 comes in. I'll do a set timeout, and then we do banner 1 out. I'll keep all of the out ones with a return, just because I don't need to switch to them. I think that's right. I don't know. We'll find out. For now, I'm just gonna say 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, it should animate the banners out, and then banner 2 in. So this is where I make banner 2. I need to undo this. That doesn't affect my code, does it? No, it doesn't. Okay, sweet. Okay, so I have banner. Let me just check. What's this? Okay, so banner out. I'll need to create the new banner, so let me just copy paste this. Ooh. I make stuff. Why is the Twitter blue? Because I feel like I should have that. don't know if that blue is kind of out of place. Because there's no blue otherwise. But it's Twitter. Maybe I'll just see how it looks. Okay, so this will go to the same place. So this will be banner. I'll call it banner 2. It's not it's not really consistent, but banner 2 1, banner 2 2. 2 3, banner 2 4. I can rename them later. I need to. Okay, so this was the setup. Banner 1. Should keep all of the banner stuff together. Setup. Banner 1. Banner 2. So let's see. This will be banner 2 1, banner 2 1, banner 2 2, banner 2 3, banner 2 4. No. Oh wait, it's the X I need to change. Hold on a minute. In terms of Y, I think they're already on the right. Oh no. This needs to be the same as this, so 4 needs to be the same as 2 in terms of Y value. Okay, and their X's. Oh, hold on a moment. Oh. I need to make sure they're the same distance apart. Actually, it's alright like that, I think. It's alright to go to the same X value. So we'll keep it like that. That's alright. Okay, so I'll copy paste this. Banner 2 in, banner 2 out. So it'll be banner 2 1. Banner 2 2. Banner 2 3. Banner 2 4. Alright, and then I just need to repeat the same, but when it goes out. And this is the one that I want to be shorter, except I'll still keep it 10 seconds. Just on some loop. Let's see if that works. Okay. Okay. I could probably make them go out at the same time. I think they need to be delayed. Oh, and then I need a reset function. Right. Right. I didn't think of that. That should be pretty easy. Oh, sorry, to keep it on a loop. And then I can just add panels actually when I need to. I don't need to. I was thinking of making it really super complicated and having like an array of stuff. But I don't need an array. I can just keep them on a loop. Actually, no. No, it'll be fine. Okay, so what I'll do is this. Banner 2 in. When banner 2 comes in, do this. Set. No. Bad. Set current banner to equal 1. Because the current banner will be 1. Set it to be 2. Reset. How do I want to do this? I could reset it. I could reset the banners before they come in. I think that's a good idea. So for in, for example, I would want to set it up Albister, hello. I'm good, thanks. Hope you're doing well. Having a nice Saturday evening, wherever you may be. It's midnight here, so but I'm used to being up late, so it's alright. And I don't have any uni tomorrow, so I can sleep in. I'm just trying to work out what I'm doing here. Just need to make sure it resets properly. And then I need to bump up the timer and fix the timing. So I'll do this.
Because each finance product is structured differently and offer different benefits, you need to make this choice before you start comparing quotes. The good news is that once you've made this choice, it becomes...
Do you stream with background music often? Usually. Just because I have something to listen to. I don't know. I don't really have it that loud. I don't know if is it loud on stream? I kind of have it turned down, but I wasn't sure if I don't know if I balanced the audio right. I tried recording myself and then listening back, and it seemed okay. So I don't know. I think it's in an advert right now. Oh, that's kind of loud. I was just saying it would be cool if you made your own current song on your live. Yeah, that would be pretty cool. The only thing is, I have it on a YouTube. I just have a YouTube mix, like just a random one playing. But if I had song requests on something like Nightbot or Spotify, then yeah, I could definitely add something like that. That would be pretty cool. Have that as a rotating panel. So right now I'm like making these rotating panels that just scroll in and out. Haven't really got an idea of what kind of panels I want yet. I think this one's just going to be a social media one and a mini promo. But that would be a cool thing. So just have the song like scroll in every now and then. But I don't have like a song request thing at the moment. I guess I could have that. I could set that up at some point. I don't really have any bots right now. I did want to get the Streamlabs chatbot just because I'm quite used to that, like the commands and everything, except because I'm on a university computer, I can't really run, well, it won't let me run chatbot, which I guess is understandable because it probably needs like access to, I don't know, files or whatever. But something like Nightbot, which is on cloud, I guess, I would be able to use. I'm just wondering. Nightbot current song API. Nightbot seems good. Yeah. I'm used to using the chatbot just because I don't know, I like the parameter stuff. But then recently I've started looking at Nightbot and I'm surprised by how much, like, how detailed and complicated the commands can get. Like, I wasn't aware that you can have, like, the alias commands, which are really cool. Like making shortcut commands for, like, other commands, which I guess kind of like meta commands, I don't know. But I saw someone, or I helped someone out with using that, and that looks really good, so I don't think I've seen other bots use that. Here, API docs. Song requests. So I guess I could get it to like fetch the album cover or album art in the song and who is requested by. That'd be pretty cool. Yeah, where could I put that actually? Maybe I could, I don't know, depending on how complex the API is, maybe I could get it to show up like a small panel every time the song changes. I don't know if that's a thing though. Track.duration in seconds. So maybe I could turn that into a function. Maybe easier if you're streaming from SoundCloud. Is there a SoundCloud thing for that as well? SoundCloud API. Current song. Can also manage metadata. Oh, that sounds interesting. Oh right, I see what you mean. Like if I was playing a... Ah, interesting. I haven't really looked too much at SoundCloud before. This looks pretty doable though. Oh, and it's got the artwork. That's useful. And the... Oh, it has the waveform URL. That would be super neat for like, I don't think I would add that, but I don't know. That would be a pretty cool thing to have. I'm not sure where I'd have that, but... Maybe I'll add that. Oh, it's got playlists as well. Yeah, I'll definitely look into that. The waveform thing, yeah. I think I saw that a while ago when I was like looking at how they generated them, and then I tried to open it and it just came up as like an image or something. But I don't know, that's really cool that you can actually retrieve that, and it looks like it's transparent as well, so you'd be able to kind of mess around with that, put a picture in the background. Oh. Oh, where's it going? Oh, I'll just use this one. I don't know how they actually use that, but it looks like that's transparent there, so you'll be able to put like a picture in the background, I guess. And then maybe I'll key that out? I'm not sure. Artwork data. There's a lot of information here. That'd be super cool. If it had a different colour, you could use a colour key to remove it, then style the waveform however you like. Yeah. I'm not sure if there's a thing in Animate for that. If it retrieved it, I'm not sure what it would. Because I know obviously in OBS you can apply a chroma key, but the trouble is if you have album art on the same overlay, if it has the same colors obviously as your chroma key, then it will remove that as well, which kind of sucks. So I don't know. It'd be super neat to have like the album cover and then like have the title and then like have the waveform, but I don't even know how you would like show the progress. Well, I suppose if you took the duration and you took like how long ago it started playing or something, and then you did like some division of the width of the thing, then I suppose you could do that, but that's kind of complicated. Anything to do with timers, I'm kind of not a big fan of. Well, I say that. I mean, one of my projects that I was working on before this was a chat-based game, Twitch chat, which relied on a lot of timers. I need to get around to finishing that. I was streaming it as well, but the purpose that I was doing it for doesn't really need it anymore, so I was kind of just working on this. But it's just timing and intervals is pretty difficult. Close to getting this in order, I think. So this will be animate, this will be setup, and let me copy paste this up here. Okay, so that should be resetting now. What's the roadmap for the overlay you're currently making? Like what do you want it to have when it's done? I'm not too sure at the moment, actually. I kind of just want to because before this I didn't really have any kind of overlay. I suppose I was really streaming before, but now that I actually have access to this software and streaming stuff, I thought I might as well try. I guess I need to work on having my follow alert. So right now it's just text that comes up, but I need to improve on that. I kind of just want to make like a fully dynamic, smooth looking overlay, I guess. I don't really have subscribers or bits or donations or anything, so I don't need to worry about making animations for those. I do want to make like I don't know, something that encourages chat activity or whatever. I don't know. I mean, I have overlays that can react to chat, so they can read chat and like respond to commands and stuff. So maybe I'll throw in something like that, where chat can like interact with the overlay. Or maybe they can like if someone types in social in the, I don't know, in chat, then maybe the panels can like scroll over to my Twitter and I don't know, YouTube and stuff like that, and then show the links as well. Something like that. I'm not sure if I'll make it actually scroll, just because people might... Oh, it could be on a cooldown, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, I don't really have a set outline. I'm kind of just making it up as I go. I do want to keep things as modular as I can, so I would be able to add panels and stuff as I need. Like with these text boxes, if I want to, I think right now how I have it set up, if I want to add another panel I can just copy and paste this and copy and paste the function, and then it should add it to the queue, so it will scroll through those. But yes, I don't know if hopefully this works. The inconvenient thing will be waiting for that bit. Yeah, that's why I don't think I mean, obviously it will drop the links in chat, because obviously then people can click on it, but I don't know if maybe I'll have something like that shows like latest projects or whatever. I mean, no, it probably won't, because I don't really want like the scrolling thing to mess up. I don't really have that many what do you call it, panel banners at the moment anyway, so like I'm worried that if I do add that, then it will keep like scrolling forwards and backwards, and I'll probably mess it up. Okay. So hopefully this should scroll. I do need to sort out the timing, because right now when they go like one at a time instead of all at once, like that. When I could make them come in at the same time, or go at the same time, I mean. Let's see if it resets properly though. Okay, it does. Nice. So let's fix that. Remove these delays, I think. Oh wait, that's in. No, and I didn't want to do that. Rip. Undo. Okay. Here, out. And out. Okay, so this should... And then it should go out at the same time. They should be moving the same distance. Okay, yeah. Okay, and I need to sort out the timing for that. But obviously, so basically the latest follower and the heat meter will take the most on time screen, and then I don't really want my social media to take up the same amount of time, but I'm just doing it for testing purposes. So right now the banner goes out after 10 seconds, except I want it to stay on screen for longer, so let me just dig out the calculator. And the other reason why I have the current banner flag is because I want to keep track of which banner is active. Just because if someone follows... So what makes the heat meter go up as of now? It's when someone follows. When someone follows, it goes up, and when I hit, every time I hit 5 follows, so the next one is 75. When I hit 75, I'll get it to play an animation or something. Maybe it'll catch fire, I guess, or the overlay will catch fire. I'm not sure yet. I need to animate it, and I'm not very good at animating. Maybe I'll just make it like flat fire or something. because I think the idea is it's kind of like based on follow trains or like sub trains, except big streamers obviously have like a countdown. So with the trains, if someone doesn't follow or sub in the next, I don't know, 10 minutes, then it goes away. But obviously, because I haven't got much traffic here, I decided to make it persistent across streams, just so, you know, it's like mini milestones kind of thing. So yes, I basically just retrieve the total amount of follows that I have, and then do a remainder division of 5, and then use that value. So right now I have 71 follows, I think, so divide that by 5, and then the remainder is 1, so that's what it should be at the moment, which it is. And then if I send a test follow, it should go up to 2, and then when it hits 5, I mean when it hits 0, because obviously it's remainder of 0, well, it won't do anything at the moment, but I'll probably get it too. My idea is once I finish these panels and I start working on the alerts, I'm gonna try and make the animation for the alert, like, I don't know, directly interact with the heat meter. So the alert comes up and then, I don't know, it plays an animation and then feeds into the meter or something, I don't know. Like I'm not sure, like petrol or something. I'll have to work it out, because the animation is the hardest bit for me anyway. I can work out the code with enough persistence, but the animation's just like, you need to be able to draw or whatever. That's the thing, I don't know if I want to draw or if I want to like animate it, like, because right now everything's like all clean looking, but if I start drawing it's not going to look very clean. So we'll see. So this will be 5 minutes. Is it 100? 1? No, it's 1,000. 300,000. Okay. I'm not going to change that just... Actually, I will change that. But actually, I just want to check if I make those the same times, will it do anything bad? So basically, I've changed banner 1 to come in. No, banner 2 to come in at the same time as banner 1 goes out. So I just want to check if they overlap or something. Oh no, that seems alright. I don't know if the second one's taking too long to come in. It's kind of like chasing it up already. Actually no, I should be fine. Alright, so I could just make that 300,000. So banner 1 will go out after 5 minutes, and then it'll show that for, I want to say 30 seconds. So 30,000. Right. Okay, so I'm gonna refresh that, and hopefully I've just set this to be also slightly transparent in the CSS settings, just because I haven't got my proper chat set up right now, so it'll probably end up looking like this with chat on the side, except I don't have chat yet, so just made it transparent. That should stay on the screen for 5 minutes. I'm gonna keep it on the side so I can see when it changes. Oh god. Alright. Oh, and it's got my lifetime down there, so I can check when that goes, when that changes. About 4 minutes. Okay. What to do next? I think I need to implement actually I'll do that later. Basically what I was thinking the other day was that when if I end the stream on say 70 followers, which I did the other, well no, I ended on 69, but if I start the stream on 70 followers, then it's automatically going to think that the heat meter has been filled, just because that's already a milestone. So I feel like it would try to play the animation. So I need to implement some kind of check. But I don't think that's necessary just yet, so I'm going to take a look at making or changing my alert. So right now I think it's just text that comes up. Let me test it. So if I trigger a test follow over here or on the overlay, it should go up. There you go. Firewire has followed and it goes back down. I just needed a super quick test. But because the alerts and the heat meter are in the same overlay file, or the same, like, yeah, same browser source, I can delay the heat meter from updating. I can get the alert to appear first and then play some kind of animation that makes it go into the heat meter or something. So I'll create some kind of, okay, so 2 more minutes and this should move. We'll see. And then it'll be 30 seconds. Oh, those are from my Creative Cloud. That's from Rhythm Heaven. That was ages ago. I don't need that. Alright. So I want something like fire. I don't really know how to draw fire, but I might make it like triangles. Let's see. Oh, where is everything? Everything resets, like, all the time. Alright. Should be, oh, there it goes. Okay, so it should be 30 seconds. So when it reaches about 3 minutes 40. I think 5 minutes is a good amount of time. Alright, that seems to work. That works for me. I'll probably tweak it if I feel like it's going too fast. I'll watch it back. Right now it seems alright. Right, so... I don't know if this will work. Hello? Font? Could have sworn... Oh, that's weird. Alright, I'll just use this as a placeholder. It's not looking very fiery. There's like a... Oh, maybe something like this. That could be pretty cool. There's a lot of curves. Rip. There's a terrible fire. I'll probably have to do this off stream when I have more time. I'm not sure what else I should be doing, or I could be doing. Should be changing any second now, actually, as well. Actually, I'm gonna quickly adjust the alerts. So right now it goes away after 2 seconds. Go away after 6 seconds. No. Yeah, 6 seconds. And deactivate after 9 seconds. Alright. There it goes. Okay, that's a decent loot. What else to do? What else to do? Part of me wants to try that song request thing. I guess I can try it. Wait, I won't be able to get... I don't actually have Spotify. I was gonna try Spotify as well. Let me look into it. Nightbot get console API. Oh, here we go. This is the request. And then I would need... Okay, that makes sense. What else do I need urgently? I'm just thinking of the heat meter, so when I hit the next thing, maybe it should grow. I don't know. I like how it's clean at the moment. Let me quickly test the follow again. Oh, I didn't compile that. Cool. It works. Oh, it's slower. Okay, don't need those, don't need those. Ah, this is what I wanted to do. Okay, so depending on what the current banner is, if someone follows, I need to switch back to the other one. So, because obviously I want the heat meter to update when someone follows. And if it's on a different screen, then I need it to switch back. So, here, follow alert. If current banner equals 2, then alright. Let me just change the delay so I can test it without having to wait forever. Set it back to 10 seconds. So when I have a follow, so when it changes to the other screen, it should change back when I hit follow. Alright, moved, but it didn't update. And it disappeared. Uh-oh. Something's wrong. Okay, so what if I don't? Oh, right, here. Ouch. That's not good. I could break everything. I'll have to work that out. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Current banner equals 2. Okay. So, I think the reason why I was glitching out is because the animation took longer than it took for the alert to reset. So, if I make it the same amount of time, should be alright. So, banner moves 4 seconds. Okay, it takes 4 seconds. Let's say 12 seconds. Okay, that doesn't work. So I'm just gonna leave it alone for now. I don't want to mess with it too much. We'll have to see if it impacts anything. Hopefully it doesn't. I mean, if it happens off screen, then... Or maybe I can get the heat meter to be something separate. I'll have to consider it. I will be right back. I just need to get some more water. Yes. Oh, sorry. For some reason I turned my mic off, but then I muted in OBS as well. RIP. Yes. So, what am I doing? I think I am gonna try. I think I'm gonna try sizing this down. I need to get a chat. Hold on, I need to log in to this other monitor. Oh. Bear with. So I can make this full opacity, and I can probably get rid of this text chat box as soon as I'm done, but I do need to get, is it chat box somewhere down here? Ah. You can make custom ones, right? Ah, yeah. Enable custom. Oh, it'd be cool to mess around with that. Alright, logged in. Now I just need to I've always had chat on this same monitor, but I thought about having it on a separate monitor. It's probably easier. Oh no, it's making noises. And muted. I can log into my Twitch account on 2 browsers, right? Should be fine. Okay, yes. Alright, so chat is now on the other monitor. Let me minimize that so I can make this full screen now. And I can grab another Browser source. Chat box. It's this, right? Heights. Too much. I will quickly test that. Oh god, that's tiny. What in the world? I suppose this is tiny. Let me make this 100. That's too much. Alright. That's a reasonable size. Oh, that's too big still. You know what? That might be a bit too big. What ratio is that? 3.05. Okay. So let me make it slightly smaller. Like this. And then make this the right width. So 350. Times 10, 6, 8. That'll do. I think it's time to break out the old After Effects again. Oh wait, it's doing it on a 10-second loop, isn't it? Just waiting for After Effects to load up.
たち恋人になったんだよね。でも俺アイラに特別なこと何にもしてあげられてないような気がする。俺いろいろ考えたんだけど、何がアイラを喜ばせてあげられるのか全然分かってなくて。
私はいつも通りでいい。いつも通りがいい。司と一緒にいられるだけで特別なので。今だって私すごくドキドキして胸が張り裂けそう。
to you. You make me feel so good, girl, through and through. Softens my reaction to you. You make me want to get down when you do what you do.
I'm gonna get you, that's a fact. I'm never gonna stop. Can you see I get the love? Everything ね